I feel like we've established for some years now, at least in non-technical circles, that you don't have to learn how to code anymore, right? Because AI can do it for you. So why the hell is it that I'm learning how to code? By the way, this is day one of me learning machine learning, I guess. If you're wondering why I'm learning it, yeah, I don't know. I really couldn't tell you why. I think because it's cool. Uh, I don't know. When people learn things or when people strive after things like their dreams and goals, they always have like a clear, defined set of goals. And, every video is like, oh, you have to know your why. Like, bruh, like, I don't know why. Like, I don't know if I would like doing machine learning. Obviously, it's one of the hardest careers to get into. So that's not even what I'm thinking about at all. But I'm thinking like, maybe I could have a fun little project where, like I mentioned in yesterday's video, have a trading bot or something on calc. I think that would be sick. And not to mention, calculus to me is fun, stimulating in the mind. And unfortunately, today I slept like 12 hours, which is fortunate, but I woke up at like 11. Anyway, that's how much time we spent learning yesterday. Anyway, yesterday I managed to study, learn for 7.5 hours, go to the gym, hang out with my mom, my family, and hang out with another friend. We played some Madden. So that's pretty good. If you're wondering about the breakdown, it's 5 hours in Python that I learned and 2.5 hours in calculus. So I took a Python class last year, like maybe 3 semesters ago. You see that math? Well, 2 semesters ago, actually. I'm sorry. I'm wrong. I'm an idiot. I should just in yesterday's practice, I'm using a course from DataQuest, which is interactive. It teaches you things and then you apply it, like one of those things where there's information, a description, like a blog post kind of, and then on the right side is an interactive environment in the browser where you can code Python. And I feel like I learned about the same as I did in half a semester of that, which makes sense because business students in a coding class, the teacher's going to take your time. But still, just like having an environment where my progress wasn't capped to other students or the average of the class. Not like I'm smarter than the class, simply that I'm paying attention and putting everything in. Whereas in a classroom environment, there may be some confusion in the teaching styles, learning styles, everything. Anyway, I spent all that class on Twitter, right? Just looking through NFL combine draft highlights. So it has nothing to do with it. I still find it cool and stimulating, but it was all over the place. So anyway, that was 5 hours. And then I took Calc 1 like 3 years ago. And I took Calc AP Calculus AB in high school. So that was 5 years ago. Damn. Yeah, I'm old. So, yeah, I'm old. So that was also over the pandemic. So, I was cheating on that as much as I could. Although the teacher did a really good job of preventing cheating. So like we had to stand up our Zoom call like this, and we had to be on our computer so she could see everything. So it was hard to cheat in that class, whereas other classes, AP Chemistry, didn't learn a single thing in that class. And besides, math is pretty cool. I find it cool, at least. Oh, somebody's here. I gotta finish this. Yeah, so it was just fun getting back to that and learning. So it was fun getting back to that and trying to pick up where I left off. I gotta go though because there's some people here. So today's goal, there's a parade in my area for St. Patrick's Day. So the goal, I guess, is to get maybe 5 hours of learning in. I think a lot of that will be back-ended, but people are here calling my name, so I gotta go. Peace.